Good morning, everybody. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Bob Buckley. It's been my great honor this past 11 years to have the best job of my life as Vice President of Manufacturing here at the San Antonio Lighthouse for the Blind. I have an incredible team. I can't go into name all of them because there's 300 of them, and every single one of them would be included. Obviously, this past year has been with unprecedented challenges, but ironic to all of that, the first 6 months of this year, we actually had record sales and record profits. And we know those both support the most important parts of our mission, which is empowering the blind and visually impaired, creating jobs, as well as funding all of our programs. With those records of profits and sales, we've also dealt with the unprecedented challenge, the global pandemic of the COVID virus. To that, we've done unprecedented things again here at the Lighthouse. We've prepared boundaries and barriers and cleaning services and such we've never done before to help protect our most important resource, which is our people. As far as the global pandemic and COVID and all the risk associated with that, something I'm really proud of that's always prevalent here at the Lighthouse is how we're taking care of our team members. Relative to that, we've given all of our team members an extra 2 weeks of paid time off to help deal with the COVID and the quarantines and such. We've given all our people over the 6 months of the peak of the COVID an extra $2 an hour. So we are proud to have expensed over $1 million for our manufacturing team members to help support them during these very difficult and challenging times. But again, the most difficult and challenging of our lifetime here at the San Antonio Lighthouse for Blind, yet record sales, record revenue, and again, for our 300 plus team members, it's really been a very good year. To that extent, and on behalf of our 300 plus manufacturing team members, I'd like to wish you all a safe, blessed, and restful holiday season. And thank you very much for all your support for the San Antonio Lighthouse, for manufacturing, for our services, and our cradle to great operations here in San Antonio. Thank you.